Hi, Joanne Callahan, author of How to Get a Good Night's Sleep. Everybody on the planet is doing it, but not very many people understand the basic fundamentals of a good night's sleep. Are you one of those people? Are you overwhelmed with stress, anxiety in the world? Do you feel there's not enough time in the day to get things done? Do you feel a sense of urgency all the time and you're absolutely exhausted? The major complaint that people have when they go to their doctors is they're feeling tired and fatigued, and it's not getting any easier, it's not getting any better. Well, the good news is that I have a workshop coming up on the 18th of November. It's called How to Get a Good Night's Sleep, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. Many people don't really understand the importance of sleep, the power that sleep brings to us. There's not one bodily function that does not benefit as a result of a good night's sleep. Well, I am going to explain to you and give you a new appreciation for the power of sleep, that you can empower yourself to do whatever it is that you need to do to get a good night's sleep and have better brain function, have better cognitive function, have more focus, have more resilience to stress. Stress is huge in the world at the moment. So I'm going to give you all these tools and know-how that you can put together and empower yourself to do something about it and make a change and make a difference. And these will be small changes that you're going to routinely do, that you're going to apply and adapt in your everyday world going forward. Now, on this workshop, I'm also going to be making some aromatherapy blends with you. I'll be providing all the ingredients. So you're going to be making an aromatherapy inhaler, some infused salt blends and much more. And these are tools that are going to help you to sleep better at night time as well. I really do hope that you will join me for this workshop. Many people who have taken this workshop previously have said that they have noticed significant improvements in their daily lives and nighttime sleeping as well. So the workshop, there's an early bird of €147 at the moment, and don't forget you will actually get a free copy of my book How to Get a Good Night's Sleep as well as a bonus. So if you book on the early bird before the 9th of November, you can book it for €147, and after that it will go up to the full price of $197. Please take this opportunity, because when you are sleeping better, you have a significant impact not only on yourself but on your family's lives and also your children. And your children learn from your behaviours as well. So take this opportunity, click on the link below, and I really do hope to see you on the 18th of November. Take care.